Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a nice pop of color throughout your house? This set of 6 stems by DUYONE of orange poppies will blow you away just like it did me. They've done several things that make these look very realistic, which is important to me because I am very picky about my permanent botanicals. First, the stems are adjustable with a metal piece so you can bend these and make them look all wiry like a real poppy stem. Another thing, each petal, they have really done a great job of making it look very delicate, like a real poppy petal. It's crimpled. They have a nice mixture of colors and lines to really make them look like a real poppy. Another thing they've done is to add that nice furry hair that poppies are so well known for on their stems and leaves. So when you get these, they have been shook around on the ride and there's a lot of loose hair. So when you open it, I recommend taking it outside, shaking it around a little bit, getting rid of all that loose stuff. And then I haven't had a real problem with it shedding. And what's nice about these, because they're permanent, I don't have to worry about keeping them watered or taking them out when they're dead. So if you are looking for some beautiful colors to put around your house, I highly recommend this set of poppies. But that's just my point of view.